Above your head right now, there are over 100 million pieces of space debris flying around in low Earth orbit, at speeds faster than a bullet. One tiny screw, one shattered satellite. That's all it takes to set off a chain reaction that could trap humanity onto Earth. This is the Kessler syndrome, and unfortunately, it's not science fiction anymore. In 1978, NASA scientist Donald Kessler made a terrifying prediction. He warned us that as we launch more satellites into orbit, we increase the chance that they would collide. Those collisions would create more space debris, which would cause even more collisions. The result? A shell of junk around Earth so dense that we simply can't safely launch rockets, or satellites, or astronauts. Now, back then, Kessler's idea seemed relatively distant, but today, it's actually happening. Right now, there are over 10,000 active satellites that orbit Earth. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and OneWeb are planning tens of thousands more in the coming years. Furthermore, in 2007, a Chinese missile destroyed one of its own satellites, creating over 3,000 trackable fragments. Further, in 2009, two satellites accidentally collided, producing even more debris. And here's the scary part. A 1 centimeter paint chip in orbit has the kinetic energy of a hand grenade on Earth. There's millions of these, and we simply don't have the ability to track them all. Now, the good news is that people are trying to clean it up. Robots that grab space junk with their claws, lasers that nudge debris back into Earth's atmosphere, magnetic tugs, harpoons, and even giant space nets. A bunch of startups are working on cleaning up this space debris. The bad news is that as of today, 2025, we're launching new satellites faster than we can clean up the old ones. Unless we act now, future missions could be fundamentally grounded, not by politics or funding, but by our own trash, cluttering up the low Earth orbit. And the truth is, space isn't just about exploring stars and launching rockets. It's also about responsibility. Every satellite we launch and every piece of debris we leave behind affects the future of space travel and space exploration. Exploring space and keeping our world and the universe clean aren't mutually exclusive ideals. We can preserve while exploring, and that's what makes space so beautiful.